Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. The projector has power, lens is clean, and your source device is ready. Plug in the power cable and turn the unit on. You should see a startup splash. Once the lamp warms up, connect HDMI or pair the wireless dongle. Make sure to remove any screen protector on the lens to avoid blurring. You'll angle the projector roughly at eye level so keystoning is minimized. Calibrate basic focus, using the focus ring, until text sharpens and edges read clearly. Once the image appears, you refine alignment and picture quality step by step. Use the keystone correction to square vertical and horizontal edges, then adjust zoom and focus for crispness. Move the unit slightly if heavy corrections are required. Make sure to set resolution and aspect ratio on both projector and source so pixels map correctly. Next, tweak brightness and contrast for your room's ambient light, and adjust color temperature until skin tones and whites look natural without crushing shadow detail. You finish by routing audio. Use the projector's audio out to external speakers or set internal speakers and adjust volume and lip sync. Play a 1-2 minute test clip to confirm motion handling, color accuracy, and that subtitles align. Once satisfied, save or memorize your preferred picture preset for quick setup next time. When powering down, allow the cool-down cycle to complete before unplugging. If you run into dim output or flicker, replace the lamp or check cable integrity as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.